Are you an experienced sales professional, a forward-thinking HR manager, an exceptional housekeeper, cleaner, locksmith, security expert, electrician, gardener, or looking for a new challenge? Welcome to CleanSecureWatch. We're hiring. We provide cleaning and security services across the south-east of England. We care about our employees and provide permanent flexible positions, competitive pay rates, uniforms and PPE, as well as online and on-site training in order to help them perform at their best. We have many opportunities available for talented individuals like yourself. Call 0149 189 4491 to find a suitable job opening in your area. Or visit cswatch.co.uk and click Join Us for more information and sign up to your new career in minutes.